the symphony of the wild, embracing Turkey's world. Exploring life, culture, and conservation of North America's iconic bird.
By AI for Kids. Delve into the captivating journey of Turkeys, a meeting point of nature's splendor and cultural legacy. Discover their crucial roles in ecosystems, engaging behaviors, and vibrant connections to human tradition. This exploration not only celebrates their beauty but beckons us to preserve their future, ensuring these magnificent creatures continue to grace our world with their presence. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
The marvelous rafter, social life of turkeys.
In the heart of North America's woodlands, a lively group of turkeys known as a rafter gather. Graced with graceful movements, these social creatures thrive together, their bond a testament to nature's wonders. Their behaviors, a mix of foraging and vigilant watchfulness against predators, paint a picture of unity in diversity. Watch as they interact, their curious gobbles echoing in harmony, each cluck and chirp a conversation in a language only they comprehend. As dusk approaches, they retreat to towering trees, finding solace in numbers, a feathered family united under the stars.
The rafter of turkeys moves with the elegance of a well-rehearsed dance, showcasing the beauty of communal living in harmony with nature. Amongst the rafter, I find safety and companionship. Together, we weave stories of the forest, each moment a chapter shared.
Guardians of the forest, turkeys' ecological role.
Turkeys, the versatile inhabitants of North America's diverse landscapes, diligently play a vital ecological role. As daytime foragers, they prevent overpopulation of insects and disperse seeds, unknowingly nurturing new plant life. Their presence invites a complex food web, where their vigilance provides sustenance for predators tracking their movements. These gallant birds, both predator and prey, are integral to maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Observing turkeys is witnessing nature's intricate dance of life, each peck and gobble contributing to the symphony of survival.
Every turkey's step echoes through the forest, a balancing act in the grand cycle of life, where they are both stewards and participants. I am a thread in the web of life, my role simple yet significant. The forest whispers stories only hearts connected to nature understand.
In the realm of feathers, turkey's appearance.
Behold the magnificence of turkeys, where each feather tells a tale of elegance and adaptation. With a wingspan reaching up to 5 feet, their spectacular aerial displays defy their terrestrial nature. The toms, in particular, manifest a stately presence, their resplendent blue and red head skin shifting hues, a dance of colors mirroring their moods. Majestic tails unfurl in fan-like perfection, signaling social cues or simply delighting in their beauty. Witness this fascinating blend of form and function. Turkeys are avian marvels thriving amidst Earth's vibrant hues.
In a world painted with feathers, turkeys showcase diversity and elegance, a testament to nature's artful design. In my feathers, I find strength and beauty, a reminder of nature's impeccable artistry, forever enchanting those who observe closely.
Dining in the wild, the omnivorous diet of turkeys.
Embark on a culinary journey with the turkey's omnivorous palate, which encompasses the rich offerings of nature: acorns, seeds, insects, and even small reptiles. Foraging through fields and forests, turkeys showcase an uncanny knack for locating nourishment hidden beneath the soil or embedded in bark. Their diet not only fulfills their own needs but influences the distribution of flora and fauna around them. Each morsel consumed is a step in nature's sustainable cycle, transforming these birds from mere consumers to essential participants in their ecosystem.
The forest is a banquet hall, and each turkey a discerning guest, honoring the bounty of nature with each chosen morsel. In the vast table nature provides, I find balance, in every seed, a story of renewal.
Vibrant vigors, the behavior of turkeys.
Turkeys, with their spirited lives, captivate observers with an array of behaviors. Social by nature, they move in flocks, their days marked by a cycle of foraging, preening, and occasional playful chases. At dawn, their calls resonate across landscapes, a chorus heralding the new day. Their swift gait and ability for short bursts of flight prepare them to swiftly traverse fields or ascend into treetops by night. Each action, whether in mirth or survival, reflects their adaptability, creatures of nature ever attuned to their wild calls.
Every dawn witnesses turkeys engaging in nature's playbook, a spectacle of spirited interaction and survival. Together, my raptor and I blend into nature's rhythm, each day a tapestry of shared moments.
A dance of life, turkeys' courtship and reproduction.
Spring unveils a spectacular display of life as turkey toms begin their elaborate courtship rituals. A symphony of gobbles and drumming sounds fill the air, drawing the hen's attention. With tails fanned out and plumage bristling, these avian performers captivate their audience in enchanting dances. Successful courtship leads to nesting, where hens lay clutches ranging up to 17 eggs. Vigilant mothers incubate their eggs in seclusion, safeguarding new life. A choreographed dance between life and renewal, the turkey's reproductive cycle enriches Earth's ever-continuing story.
The forest hums with courtship's rhythmic allure, each performance a blend of feathers and ancestral script. In my dance, I carve stories of life anew, a promise inscribed in nature's timeless melody.
Preservers of tradition, turkey's cultural significance.
More than mere woodland wanderers, turkeys are cultural icons in North America. Revered by indigenous peoples, they were symbols of abundance and spirituality. The turkey's prominence evolved, embedding itself into the fabric of American traditions, most notably as a symbol of gratitude during Thanksgiving. This national festivity not only celebrates harvest and fortune but also underscores turkey's deep connection to the continent's history and diversity. Their cultural tapestry weaves into the land's narrative, uniting past and present in profound reverence.
Throughout generations, turkeys abide not just in forests, but also in hearts, carriers of cultural legacy. In our presence, stories of gratitude and reverence endure, we, the silent narrators of a land's chronicles.
Safeguarding the symbol, turkey's conservation and future.
Currently noted as a species of least concern, wild turkeys flourish across vast terrains, yet not without challenges. Urbanization threatens their habitat, and hunting, though regulated, remains a concern. Conservation efforts aim to ensure these birds continue to embellish our forests and traditions. By protecting their environment and promoting sustainable practices, we safeguard the turkey's sanctuary, ensuring future generations witness these symbols of resilience. Let each footprint tread softly, so the echoes of their gobbles always grace our worldscapes.
The future of turkeys unfolds in the hands of stewardship, where today's steps define tomorrow's legacy. With each sunrise, I tread the earth cautiously, a testament to life's continuity we all hold dear.